Sylvia is exactly right, because yes, we are expecting a chance of rain a little later in the forecast. Still warm in the afternoon and still cold at night. That's what we're experiencing right now. It's cold and it's clear out there. We're getting a look from our Mount Wilson camera. We're overlooking, you'll see right here actually, or is it our Sierra camera? It is our Mount Wilson camera, and we're looking at clear conditions, 62 degrees. That's right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. We've got a freeze warning. It's in effect through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. It does kick in at midnight, though. That's when temperatures are really going to start to drop off. In the meantime, temperatures gradually getting a little cooler. Not quite as cool as last night, but still cool. 53 in Lancaster, 66 in Pasadena, 67 downtown, and 63 in Laguna Beach. So that freeze warning, remember, in effect until 8 o'clock, kicking in at midnight for those 8 hours. Still warm for now. We are expecting a cool down, and we are expecting showers a little later in the forecast. Looks like they're going to move in late Thursday, and they could last through the weekend, so we're going to time that out for you in your 5-day forecast in just a little bit. And we are expecting about 1/4 of an inch or less of rain. So not a whole lot of rain, but we could continue to see showers on and off through the weekend, and does look like we're going to see snow levels very high. So the potential for snow very slim with this storm system that should be passing through. So we'll have the latest on that. Of course, we're going to have that extended forecast. It's all coming up in a little bit, so don't go away. Lena and Sylvia, back to you.
All right, Deb.
Well, yeah, it's still warm for now, but hold on to it because it is going to start to cool down a little later, and we are expecting a chance of rain in the forecast. So we did get that sunshine today. We're doing it again tomorrow. It's clear and it's cool out there right now. In Long Beach, nice and clear, 63 degrees. That's right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. So technically, we're a little warmer tonight compared to where we were last night, but it's still cold. We're still looking at a freeze warning that's going to affect after midnight, and it's lasting until 8 a.m. That's going to be for the Antelope Valley all over again. Still warm for now, and then cooler with a chance of showers kicking in late Thursday, lasting at least through part of your weekend. Looks like rain totals altogether will be about 1/4 of an inch or less, so really not a big rainmaker, but we could get those spotty showers over a matter of a few days. 84 degrees, that was the high earlier today in downtown, 10 degrees above average. Tonight we're getting down to 52, so a little warmer. We were in the 40s in the basin. Now we're up to the 50s. Still a chilly start first thing in the morning, and by the afternoon we're still looking at northerly winds, so those offshore winds keeping us clear and dry and pretty warm. 81, that'll be the forecast high tomorrow for downtown. Same thing goes for Burbank and Riverside. Irvine 76 and Lancaster getting to 72. Oxnard getting up to 70 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. So we do have high pressure sitting overhead. So with that, we're looking at the offshore flow, the counter, or actually clockwise rather, rotation around that high, prompting the offshore winds, keeping us warm, dry, and clear, pushing any of that cloud cover out to sea. But that's going to start to change. We're expecting low pressure to start to dip into the forecast, and once it does, temperatures are going to get cooler, and we are expecting a chance of showers in the forecast late Thursday into Friday and Saturday with drier conditions by your Sunday. Lena and Sylvia, back to you. And we're still expecting a brilliant sunrise tomorrow morning. Plenty of sunshine, but that's all about to change. We'll have the details coming up.
Participate in. Put it on your bucket list.
It really is a great thing. It's definitely on my bucket list.
Yeah,
who knows when it'll happen.
Kind of scary too when it's all dark like that.
But very neat.
Yeah, I think
very neat.
We had a lot of sunshine here.
We did.
A lot of brightness.
Yes, no solar eclipses here in the Southland today. It was very bright, and it was pretty warm today as well. So we're going to tell you exactly how warm it got, how warm we're expecting to get, and how cold we're expecting to get tonight. Also midnight, and it's lasting through 8 o'clock, and that's 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Cities included Lake Los Angeles, Lancaster, Palmdale, Quartz Hill as well. You'll see temperatures right now still doing okay, not too terrible out there, right? 53 in Lancaster, 53 in Wrightwood, 67 in downtown, 66 Van Nuys, and Simi Valley at 58 degrees. But it does feel chilly. It will get chillier. Earlier today we made it to 84, so we were 10 degrees above average, and we're still expecting to see above average temperatures by tomorrow afternoon. A little warmer for us tonight, but still cold and clear, 52 degrees. That's for downtown. First thing in the morning, 56, a chilly start. Still expecting offshore winds, clear conditions, plenty of sunshine, getting up to 81 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. Burbank 81, Ontario 80, Lancaster 72, and Oxnard getting getting up to 70 degrees tomorrow. So we still have high pressure set up over Southern California, but eventually low pressure will make its way into the forecast, and we are expecting a chance of rain. Spotty showers expected late Thursday into Friday. Next chance probably materializing first thing Saturday morning, and then again Saturday night to first thing Sunday, drying out by your Sunday though. And you'll see for the basin in Orange County, 80s turning to 70s and 60s. Worth a mention, there hasn't been a lot of model agreement. This forecast has changed a little bit, so there's still a chance we could push the chance of showers back or up a little bit. So at this point, Thursday night through your Saturday, drier by your Sunday. Lena and Sylvia, back to you.
All right, Stu, thanks. The sex scandal that took down CIA Chief David Petraeus is now threatening another career. It turns out the woman who put the FBI onto Petraeus' lover exchanged what are being called flirtatious emails with America's top commander in Afghanistan.
KCAL9 political reporter Dave Bryan is here with new information on the general involved. Dave?
New forecast. Sharon, yeah, that's exactly right. We are bracing for a chance of rain. Hard to believe because it's been so warm out there, but it is quite cool out there tonight. If you've been outside, if you've stepped outside, you probably could tell. You'll see right here at the broadcast center, we're at 63 degrees, so we are a little warmer compared to where we were last night, but we are still looking at a freeze warning. That kicks in after midnight yet again for the Antelope Valley, and it expires at 8 in the morning. We're expecting sub-freezing temperatures, upper 20s in some spots, Lake Los Angeles, Lancaster, Palmdale, Quartz Hill, all cities affected in the Antelope Valley. Temperature-wise right now, we're starting to slide a little bit. We're at 54 in Lancaster, 55, that's for Wrightwood, 67 in downtown as we head over to the coast right here. Temperatures in the 60s, 66 in Santa Monica and 67 for Long Beach. So here's the drill. Your weather headline showing you a freeze warning, and that's in effect through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's still warm for now. We're saying for now because we are expecting a cooler forecast. We are expecting showers to start late Thursday, and they could possibly last through your weekend. We're going to break down the timing coming up in a little bit. And I will tell you, rain-wise, we're not expecting a whole lot, a quarter of an inch or less. And if you're wondering about the snow, looks like snow levels will be very high with the system. It's a little warmer compared to the last one, so as a result, snow levels not dropping to low levels. So at this point, we're not predicting any snow. We could maybe get a flurry, but again, rain-wise, not a whole lot either, but we could see a wet weekend. We'll have more on that coming up in your extended forecast in just a little bit. Rick and Sharon, back to you.
So good for so many people out there who need those jobs.
Absolutely.
We had some really warm temperatures today.
Warm, and then at night, it's one of those
chilly.
You could get a tan in the daytime, and then you need warm blankets at night.
Exactly. So it's nice, though, because we're not too hot at night, but it's just the opposite. So it's chilly out there. We're still dealing with freeze warnings. Don't forget, we can't say it enough. I know it sounds redundant after a while, but bring in the pets, bring in the plants tonight, because it is another cold one out there. We're under a freeze warning at the broadcast center in Studio City. Getting a look from our Mount Wilson camera, and we're looking at clear conditions, and it's actually causing us to be a little cooler. We don't have any of that insulation, any of the cloud cover trapping in the heat from the day, so at night it escapes out of the atmosphere. So as a result, we see cooler temperatures. So we're still dealing with a freeze warning that kicks in after midnight, and it lasts actually through 8 a.m. now for the Antelope Valley. It's still warm at this point. We're expecting showers to kick in late Thursday and maybe about a quarter of an inch or less. So not a whole lot of rain. Could potentially last through the weekend. So we'll have that in your 5-day in just a minute, but you'll see earlier today we made it to 84, average is 74. So we were 10 degrees above average for this time of year, and record numbers in the 90s. So didn't get anywhere too close to that, but we inched a little closer. So it's cool and clear tonight, 52 degrees with a northeasterly wind coming in between 5 and 15 miles an hour. A chilly start in the morning, not quite as chilly as where we were this morning or yesterday morning. So we're gradually starting to warm up in the morning hours and in the overnight hours, but it's still cold out there nonetheless. 81 degrees with plenty of sunshine, still above average for tomorrow. Burbank also getting up to 81. You'll see Riverside 81, Irvine 76, Lancaster 72, and Oxnard getting up to about 70 degrees as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So your forecast still calling for high pressure. It's sitting over Southern California. We're looking at those clockwise winds right there, that rotation around high pressure, prompting the offshore winds. Tomorrow still an offshore pattern, but eventually that's going to change. We've got a low coming into the forecast, and as a result, we're going to turn the pattern to onshore. We're going to see more cloud cover and a chance of showers in the forecast. And you'll see that in your 5-day forecast right here for the basin in Orange County, 80s turning to 70s, turning to upper 60s. That chance of showers kicking in late Thursday, lasting through Friday. Another chance early Saturday morning, possibly Saturday night, and it does look to be a little drier by the time we head into your Sunday. For the beaches, 70s and 60s, we're going to take you through the mountains and the deserts as well. That's all coming up in just a little bit. Rick and Sharon, back to you.
Hilarious.
I love that. Oh, speechless. Okay, taking you outside right now, clear and cool with a chance of rain on the way. We will have all the details coming right up. Maybe they were lobbing the ball. You know, it was going up here and going down.
It's true.
A lob in tennis.
Or somebody was just
I will write that theory down.
spinning a toy around.
There you go.
But maybe not. Who knows?
It was really cute. I'm going to go find that on YouTube and email blast it out to everybody I know because that's really cute. Okay, we're going to take you outside right now. We've got lots to talk about. First and foremost, it's still cold out there. We're still expecting warm weather, but we're also bracing for a chance of rain. We're taking you to Long Beach, or we were in Long Beach just now, and we're looking at mostly clear conditions with temperatures generally in the 60s, 62 degrees. That's right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. Mostly clear conditions out there and very cold conditions. A freeze warning kicking in, and that's going to stay in effect through 8 o'clock in the morning for the Antelope Valley. So expecting temperatures to get down potentially into the 20s in some spots. It's a little warmer compared to where we've been the last couple of nights, but still not warm by any stretch of imagination. As we take you outside right now, currently temperatures looking pretty good. 67 in Pasadena, so a little more mild. 24-hour change is actually a little warmer tonight compared to where we were last night, but still cold. 55 in Wrightwood, 53 in the Apple Valley, 67 in Long Beach, 60 in Riverside, and 67. That's for Anaheim. So we do have that freeze warning. It's still warm. Showers actually kicking in later in the week with a quarter of an inch rather, or less of rain. Speaking of visibility, fog might be an issue in a matter of a couple of days as well, but we'll get there in a minute. You'll see cold and clear. That's for tonight. By tomorrow morning, a chilly start for us, and by the afternoon, we're up to 81 degrees, so pretty warm forecast overall. Burbank, 81 degrees, Riverside, 81. You'll see Irvine, 76, and Oxnard getting up to 70 tomorrow along the Ventura County coastline. So for the valleys in the Inland Empire, 80s turning to 70s with a chance of showers kicking in late Thursday, lasting through Friday. Next chance first thing Saturday morning, maybe again Saturday night into early Sunday, but Sunday does look to be a little drier at this point. The forecast models have changed quite a bit over the last couple of days. Originally, we were forecasting the next system to come in Monday, and now again, we're pushing it back a little bit. So we're going to continue to track this next system for us, but looks like the best chance will be late Thursday into Friday with a few showers Saturday and Saturday night. For the mountains, plenty of sunshine cooling down, and we're actually not expecting any snow with the system at this point. If anything, snow levels will be very high, so we're really just expecting pretty dry conditions in the mountains. And for the basin in Orange County, 80s turning to 70s with a chance of showers late Thursday, lasting through Saturday and drying out by Sunday. Back to you. And we've got a warm up and then a cool down followed by a chance of rain all in store. We'll have that full forecast coming up. Rick and Sharon, let's take it to Long Beach right now. Mostly clear conditions, cool out there, 60 degrees, and that's right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. So it's not quite as cool as where we were last night, but regardless, we're still looking at a freeze warning that's going into effect at midnight for the Antelope Valley, lasting through 8 o'clock in the morning, expecting sub-freezing temperatures. So yes, that does mean below 32 degrees, 20s potentially tonight. 52 in Wrightwood, 50 in the Apple Valley, 50 in Lancaster, 55 Valencia, 62 at the coast, a little more mild in Long Beach, and earlier today downtown we got up to 84. We were 10 degrees above average, and we're still keeping it above average tomorrow, but cool and clear tonight. 50s as opposed to 40s last night, so already a little warmer. 50s in the morning as well, and by the afternoon we are up to about 81 degrees. That's going to be for downtown. Burbank and Riverside also getting up to 81. Irvine 76, Lancaster 72, and Oxnard getting up to 70 degrees along the Ventura County coastline. As we get a look at the basin in Orange County, plenty of sunshine, then cooling down by your Thursday, a chance of showers by your Friday. And I will tell you that chance could kick in late Thursday, last through your Friday. Looks like the next chance will be first thing Saturday morning. Then we can get a break, and then it looks like it'll start up again Saturday evening, starting to dry out by Sunday. The timing of the storm has changed several times over the last couple of days as the models keep disagreeing. At this point, though, this looks to be the drill. Again, Thursday night into Friday, Saturday morning, and then starting up again Saturday night. The valleys in the Inland Empire as well. For the deserts, plenty of sunshine tomorrow, increasing cloud cover by Thursday. Then a chance of showers as we head into your Friday and Saturday, drying up by Sunday, and finally getting a look at the coast right here. 70s turning to 60s with a chance of showers on and off through late Thursday into Saturday, drier by Sunday. Back to you.